Are eggs really healthy for people over 40? The surprising truth revealed. Eggs have long been misunderstood, especially when it comes to their role in a healthy diet for people over 40. Rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, eggs can be a powerful tool in supporting overall wellness as you age. However, confusion around cholesterol and heart health often causes people to avoid them unnecessarily. Recent studies reveal that moderate consumption of eggs up to 1 per day for most people doesn't significantly impact cholesterol levels. Instead, eggs offer benefits for muscle maintenance, brain health, and energy. Stick around to find out how to maximize the benefits of eggs, including adding nutrient-rich, omega-3 enriched eggs to your meals. What's in an egg? The nutrients you need for healthy aging. Eggs are nutrient powerhouses, offering essential vitamins and minerals that are particularly beneficial for those over 40. Each egg contains high-quality protein, vitamins D and B12, selenium, and choline. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining bone density, which often declines as you age. Choline, found in the egg yolk, supports brain health and memory function, while vitamin B12 helps sustain energy and support nerve health. Even though egg yolks have gotten a bad rap for cholesterol, they contain healthy fats like omega-3s, which promote brain and heart health. Don't miss out on the benefits of eating the whole egg. Eating both the egg white and yolk ensures you get the full nutrient profile eggs offer, especially for those aiming for a balanced diet after 40. Omega-3 enriched eggs, a nutrient boost you can't ignore. Omega-3 enriched eggs are a fantastic way to increase your intake of these essential fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation, especially for people over 40. These eggs come from chickens fed a diet rich in omega-3 sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, or fish oils. The result? Eggs with significantly higher levels of omega-3s than regular eggs. Omega-3s help improve cognitive function and protect against heart disease, making these enriched eggs an ideal choice for those seeking a convenient, nutritious option. To get omega-3 enriched eggs, look for them at your local grocery store with labels like omega-3 enriched or pasture-raised. Try incorporating these eggs into your meals, whether it's a quick scrambled egg breakfast or a hearty egg salad. How do chicken eggs compare to duck eggs and other varieties? Not all eggs are created equal. Chicken eggs are the most common, but duck and quail eggs also offer unique nutritional benefits. Duck eggs, for example, are larger and contain more protein, fat, and certain vitamins, like B12, compared to chicken eggs. They also contain more omega-3 fatty acids, making them a rich source of nutrients. However, duck eggs are higher in cholesterol, so people with heart conditions should eat them in moderation. Quail eggs, though much smaller, pack a punch with higher concentrations of nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and protein. These alternatives can add variety and specific nutrient boosts to your diet. Whether you choose chicken, duck, or quail eggs, each variety has something valuable to offer, especially for those over 40 looking to diversify their nutrition while supporting muscle maintenance, brain health, and overall well-being. Can eating eggs every day raise your cholesterol? Let's set the record straight. If you're over 40, you might worry that eating eggs daily could raise your cholesterol levels. However, research shows that for most healthy individuals, dietary cholesterol from eggs has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. Instead, the primary dietary contributors to high cholesterol are saturated and trans fats. Eggs, when eaten in moderation and paired with heart-healthy foods like vegetables and whole grains, can actually support good health without negatively impacting cholesterol. Eggs can even boost your HDL, good cholesterol levels. For most people, including 1 egg per day in a balanced diet is perfectly safe and beneficial. However, if you have high cholesterol or heart disease, it's important to consult your healthcare provider. They can help you determine how many eggs you can safely consume as part of your overall diet. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. How can eggs support muscle maintenance and brain health after 40? As you age, your muscle mass naturally declines, leading to a slower metabolism and decreased strength. For individuals over 40, maintaining muscle becomes even more critical, and eggs provide an excellent source of high-quality protein to help combat muscle loss. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, the egg yolk is packed with choline, a nutrient that's vital for brain health and cognitive function. This makes eggs an important part of the diet for anyone looking to stay physically active and mentally sharp after 40. To make the most of the benefits, pair eggs with other nutrient-dense foods, like leafy greens, avocado, or whole grains for a well-rounded meal. Eggs are especially effective when eaten post-workout to promote muscle recovery and sustained energy. What are the risks? The cautions you should keep in mind. While eggs offer numerous health benefits, there are some cautions to consider, especially for those over 40. If you have pre-existing heart conditions or high cholesterol, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional about your egg consumption. Additionally, not all eggs are created equally. Opt for organic or pasture-raised eggs whenever possible to avoid unnecessary additives and ensure better nutrient quality. These types of eggs are also less likely to carry contaminants. The way you prepare eggs is crucial too. Avoid frying them in butter or oil, as this adds unnecessary fats and calories. Instead, try healthier methods like boiling, poaching, or lightly scrambling with olive oil. This ensures you get the most out of the egg's nutrition while minimizing added unhealthy fats. By keeping these considerations in mind, you can enjoy eggs regularly as part of a balanced, healthy diet. How can you add eggs to a balanced diet for healthy aging? Eggs are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet, especially for people over 40 looking to stay healthy and energized. Start your day with an egg-based breakfast, such as scrambled eggs with vegetables or a boiled egg paired with whole grain toast. Incorporating eggs into your meals isn't just about breakfast. Eggs can be added to salads, wraps, or grain bowls for a quick protein-rich lunch or dinner. For those who need a convenient on-the-go snack, hard-boiled eggs provide a portable option that's low in calories, but high in protein and essential nutrients. Remember to balance your meals by pairing eggs with high-fiber vegetables, healthy fats like avocado, and whole grains to support long-lasting energy and overall health. Incorporating eggs into a diet focused on variety and balance is key to optimizing their health benefits. What are the most common misunderstandings about eggs? Let's bust the myths. One of the biggest misconceptions about eggs is their cholesterol content. Many people still believe that eating eggs daily will significantly raise cholesterol levels. But as mentioned, this is not true for most healthy adults. Another common misunderstanding is that only egg whites should be consumed because they are lower in calories and fat. While egg whites are rich in protein, the yolk contains most of the egg's essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats like omega-3s. Additionally, not all eggs are equal in quality. Organic and pasture-raised eggs offer more nutrients than conventional eggs. Finally, it's essential to understand that eggs, while nutritious, should be part of a balanced diet. Relying solely on eggs for protein is not advisable, and it's important to include other protein sources like lean meats, fish, and legumes. What else should you do apart from eating eggs every day? While eggs can play a vital role in supporting your health after 40, they shouldn't be the only focus. A balanced, healthy lifestyle requires variety in both diet and physical activity. Make sure to incorporate a range of protein sources like fish, legumes, and lean meats to cover your body's nutritional needs. Focus on fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to support digestion and maintain a healthy weight. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise regularly, both strength training and cardiovascular activities, to keep your muscles strong and your heart healthy. Finally, consider adding supplements like omega-3s, magnesium, or vitamin D if your diet is lacking in these critical nutrients. By taking a holistic approach to your health, you'll ensure that eggs are just one part of a well-rounded plan to age gracefully and stay healthy long-term. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Learn low-sodium diet tips for better health over 40. Reduce sodium, feel great, and stay healthy. Click the next video here.